Very good evening. You're watching Brass Tacks. I'm Akanksha Swaroop and we're coming live to you from CNN News 18's primetime studio presented by Green Lamb Laminates. आपदा को हराना है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लाना है. Gifting BJP that slogan, Prime Minister Modi kicked off his maiden rally just ahead of Delhi election from Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan, the very site from where Anna Hazare launched an anti-corruption campaign in Delhi in 2011, and Arvind Kejriwal was considered his close aide. However, Hazare parted ways with Kejriwal after he decided to come into politics. Now, in an apparent dig at Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal, Prime Minister Modi stated that a few Kattar Beiman, meaning staunchly dishonest people, have pushed Delhi towards a disaster by keeping Anna Hazare at the front. In another veiled dig at Kejriwal, Prime Minister Modi said that even he could have made Sheesh Mahal. In fact, he targeted the former Delhi Chief Minister for allegedly constructing a luxurious residence for himself as the CM. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also inaugurated the 1,675 newly constructed flats for the dwellers of JJ clusters and also handed over keys to eligible beneficiaries at Swabhiman Apartments in Ashok Vihar in Delhi. So, with focus on the fact that Delhi is the capital and big expenditure projects, whether health or infrastructure, are done by the centre, the question is, will Prime Minister Modi's attack truly turn out to be an apada for AAP? Well, let's take you through the political showdown in the national capital, which has of course reached a fever pitch, with both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Aam Aadmi Party locked in a fierce war of words as the Delhi elections now approach. The BJP and AAP are both throwing sharp barbs at each other, with each party accusing the other of misgovernance and dishonesty. Prime Minister Modi has launched an all-out assault today on the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, accusing them of causing widespread apada for the city. He stated that AAP's rule has been disastrous for the people of Delhi, focusing on issues like corruption, even mismanagement by the AAP government. AAP has of course hit back, arguing that there is no apada in Delhi, but instead it is the BJP. In a direct challenge to the Aam Aadmi Party's position in Delhi, Prime Minister Modi has stated that the apada will eventually lead to the arrival of BJP's governance in the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party has responded by accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of having no clear leadership in Delhi polls. They argue that the Bharatiya Janata Party lacks a proper chief ministerial candidate, and this absence of a strong leader will lead to internal chaos, portraying BJP as a party unable to provide stable governance. Now, Prime Minister Modi has further slammed the AAP government, accusing them of being anti-people with their policies. AAP has countered by accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of having no concrete agenda for the upcoming elections. The party claims that the BJP's focus on personal attacks and baseless allegations against AAP is proof that they are unable to present any meaningful proposals for the future of Delhi. Prime Minister Modi also accused AAP of being involved in scams across various sectors that includes education, even pollution control or the cleanup of River Yamuna. AAP in response has labelled the Bharatiya Janata Party as the enemy of the poor. Prime Minister Modi launched a blistering attack on AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, saying whilst he could have constructed a Sheesh Mahal for himself, his focus remained on providing homes for the underprivileged, many of whom he in fact handed over to the poor today. In response, AAP has accused the BJP of having no concrete narrative for the Delhi elections. The BJP has accused the Delhi government of blocking or failing to implement crucial central government schemes that could have benefited the people of Delhi. The BJP claims that the Delhi government did not implement the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which aims to provide affordable housing to the poor. On the other hand, AAP slams this politics. The BJP is claiming that due to the non-implementation of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, around 10 lakh families in Delhi were deprived of affordable housing. AAP, however, has countered this allegation by accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of politicizing the issue and attempting to mislead the public. The favourite word for the Aam Aadmi Party these days is that these allegations are bebunyad. The BJP alleges that the Delhi government took away free rations from 90,000 poor individuals, undermining a central government-backed welfare scheme. AAP has denied this charge, asserting that it is false and part of a political narrative to discredit their governance. The BJP has accused the Delhi government again of failing to implement the Jal Jeevan mission, which aims to provide and clean tap water to every household. AAP has of course countered, denying the accusation and claiming that the Bharatiya Janata Party is using politics to distort the facts. The BJP has claimed that the AAP government has not implemented the Ayushman Bharat scheme, which provides health coverage of up to 5 lakh rupees to eligible families. AAP has denied this, stating that the scheme was blocked by the central government and accused the BJP of misrepresenting facts. As the accusations fly thick and fast, the BJP is framing the situation as a case of missed opportunities for Delhiites due to Kejriwal's alleged refusal to accept central aid. Meanwhile, AAP has accused the BJP of using these welfare schemes as a political tool to undermine the Delhi government's work. So the question is, will Prime Minister Modi's Aapada attack hurt the Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming assembly polls? We'll debate that in just a bit.
कुछ कट्टर बेईमान लोगों ने दिल्ली को आपदा में धकेल दिया। मैं भी कोई शीश महल बना सकता था, लेकिन मेरे लिए तो मेरे देशवासियों को पक्का घर मिले, यही एक सपना था। जो पैसे शिक्षा के लिए भारत सरकार ने दिए, आधे पैसे भी पढ़ाई के लिए खर्च नहीं कर पाए लोग।
आज प्रधानमंत्री जी बोले दिल्ली में आपदा आई हुई है। कई बार उन्होंने कहा दिल्ली में आपदा आई हुई है, दिल्ली में आपदा दिल्ली में नहीं आई, आपदा भाजपा में आई हुई है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जिसके पास चुनाव के लिए कोई एजेंडा ही नहीं है।
All right, on that note, let me introduce our esteemed panelists today. I'm joined in by Ms. Sanju Verma, who's the national spokesperson for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Good to see you, Ms. Verma. Anika Malhotra, who's the spokesperson for the Congress Party. Good to see you, Anika. And Jasmine Shah, who's the spokesperson for the Aam Aadmi Party. I'm also joined in by Mr. Rajat Sethi, who's a political commentator. Thank you for joining in, ladies and gentlemen. Sanju Verma, it's been a while since I had you on the show, so let me begin by asking you. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal has reversed the Aapada attack, saying that it is the Bharatiya Janata Party which is having the biggest Aapada. 3 Aapadas he's countered, of course, by saying that you are lacking a political narrative, a chief ministerial face and an agenda.
Good to be on your show, Akanksha, after quite a bit. Let me come straight to the point. First and foremost, I think, Delhiites have not forgotten 2016 when Delhi was battling dengue and Arvind Kejriwal was busy getting his throat infection treated at Jindal Clinic in Bengaluru. People of Delhi have not forgotten when they were falling down like a pack of cards during peak COVID wave in 2021. Arvind Kejriwal was busy flouting every rule in the rule book to build his sheesh mahal. I don't want to go into the gory details of 2 crore ke parde, 3 crore ka marble tiles and 45 crore ka sheesh mahal, because that's been documented and is out there in the public domain. Let's talk numbers. 76,000 crore is the annual budgetary outlay of Delhi. And what a shame that 28 women a couple of months back died due to starvation, lack of food in Asha Kiran facility, which comes directly under the Delhi government's, leadership. Then let's talk about the fact that Arvind Kejriwal says, मैं तो हर महिला को 2100 रुपए दूंगा यदि हम वापस सत्ता में आ गए। पंजाब में महिलाओं को महीने का 1000 रुपए तक नहीं मिलता है। And this is not Sanju Verma saying it. आम आदमी पार्टी MLC रविंदर सोलंकी is on record saying, मेरे दफ्तर में रोज महिलाएं आती हैं और कहती हैं, हमें तो जी पहले का 1000 रुपए नहीं मिला, तो 2100 रुपए की गारंटी केजरीवाल साहब किस बुनियाद पर दे रहे हैं। then let's talk about the fact that Manish Sisodia is on record saying in the last 10 years, Kejriwal regime spent 96,000 crore on health and 1,25,000 crore on education. मुझे एक बात बताइए, 96,000 crore on health, and you guys have not been able to build those 24 medical colleges that you were crowing about. 1,25,000 on education, and there are 537 schools which either don't have a principal or don't have a vice
right.
principal, or some have neither.
All right.
Very quickly, please bear with me. You know, this is the party which is now talking about Sanjeevani Yojana. आयुष्मान भारत तो आपने इंप्लीमेंट नहीं किया और संजीवनी योजना की बात करते हैं. You are talking of महिला सम्मान योजना. Kejriwal, as I say, is a खिसियानी बिल्ली. In the CM house a couple of months back, Swati Maliwal was thrashed, beaten black and blue by Kejriwal's closest confidant Bibhav Kumar. केजरीवाल के मुंह में दही जम गया. केजरीवाल की बेटर हाफ सुनीता केजरीवाल के मुंह में दही जम गया और इनके प्रवक्ता डिबेट पर आकर they used to actually give गालिस to स्वाति मालीवाल, और आप महिला सम्मान की बात करते हैं.
You know, Jasmine Shah is a befitting spokesperson for the Aam Aadmi Party to in fact counter all the allegations that have come in with regards to the welfare schemes, because I read your op-ed, Jasmine, in the Indian Express, where you've talked about how you're looking out for the interests of women. But having said that, you know, when you look at the kind of allegations that are now being hurled at the Aam Aadmi Party, as one being anti-women, A. B, when you talk about these welfare schemes, you're remembering the Granthis, you're remembering the Pujaris in Delhi when the Maulvis are waiting. They are also asking, these Pujaris are asking, what is the guarantee we'll avail these, these welfare schemes that are now being extended towards us, these honorariums. What about the Pujaris and Granthis in Punjab? That's where your government is as well.
Akanksha, these questions of whether the guarantees announced by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal will be received or not, only the people of BJP are asking. No beneficiary or no citizen or resident of Delhi is asking.
No, I am asking you.
You look at the track record. No, you look at the track record of Mr. Kejriwal. He promised free electricity. All these BJP walas were like, nahi, ye to sarkar doob jayegi. No, how can any government make electricity free? We made electricity free. We made bus rides for women free. Even today, the lady from BJP here and all the BJP spokesperson will say that nahi, महिलाओं के लिए बस यात्रा मुफ्त होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. So they have a track record of being anti-people. Whatever we promised, we have delivered. Having said that, let me come to today's main point. Today, Prime Minister Modi had an excellent chance to tell the people of Delhi that in the last 10 years, while his government was at the center, what did he do for the people of Delhi? We know that Delhi is a half state. Half of the power is with Mr. Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party. The other half is with BJP. What did he do? For the entire speech, the Prime Minister of India went on a rant. He started almost, discounting each and everything that has happened in Delhi. What about your track record? You are very much aware, Akanksha, that law and order in Delhi comes under the central government. Do we know that since the horrific Nirbhaya rape incident, rape instances in Delhi have doubled? Today, Delhi has become an extortion capital. Every day you open the papers and you will see that, shooting yahin pe hui, golibari hui hai, businessmen are getting extortion calls. And do you know what is the conviction rate for rapists in Delhi? It is 2%. Out of 100 people, 98 people go scot-free, only 2 are convicted. So this is the reality of what now today.
Right.
There's another important
comment from all of us.
No, let me allow me to finish. I have not even finished my point.
I'll take a quick rebuttal, but Sanju, make it quick. I also have to bring in Monica. Yes.
You have not given me enough time. This is not fair.
No,
You've launched your own attacks, which you spoke, and Sanju will have to take it.
You gave me a fraction of the time that you have given to the BJP.
Jasmine, the discussion's just taken off. I will give you time. I will. Sanju.
Thank you. Yeah, so he did get enough time, but इनको आदत है आकर टीवी डिबेट पर रोना धोना और victim card खेलना. Stop playing the victim. Akanksha, very quickly in 20 seconds, to showcase to you that Aam Aadmi Party is a bunch of goons and vandals, and I never speak without proper facts. These are people who are either out on bail or have been booked, or the case is in trial. And these are not ordinary people. These are, the ex-chief minister, MLCs, MLAs, ministers of Aam Aadmi Party. former ministers. Arvind Kejriwal out on bail, Manish Sisodia out on bail, Sanjay Singh out on bail, Satinder Jain out on bail, Somnath Bharti out on bail, Naresh Balian out on bail, Naresh Yadav out on bail, Sandeep Kumar out on bail, Sharad Chauhan out on bail, Prakash Jarwal out on bail, Jitendra Singh Tomar out on bail, Dinesh Mohania out on bail, Tahir Hussain तो खैर इनको छोड़ गया अभी, विजय सिंगला आउट ऑन बेल, मनोज कुमार आउट ऑन बेल, भगवान आउट ऑन बेल, गुलाब सिंह यादव आउट ऑन बेल, रमन स्वामी
All
आउट ऑन
right,
बेल.
I have to give time
accused of
to
rape.
Jasmine as well. Jasmine, I want to go to Anika as well. Please quickly finish.
Very
your
quick.
point.
See, very clearly, again, Sanju Verma did not say anything about their 10-year track record of law and order. It shows that what they have done to the people of Delhi. And
Why
you
are
know,
you
I'm not going to
mollycoddling
lower the
rapists?
bar of
Why are
civility
you
in this particular
mollycoddling
debate.
rapists?
She can call
Vibhor Kumar
us
को
all
sack
kinds
किया
of
है या
names.
नहीं?
That's the values
Vibhor
that
Kumar
her
को
party
sack
has.
किया है या
I'm
नहीं?
not
पहले
going to
Sanju,
जवाब
lower.
दो.
Sanju, let him
Please
make a
don't.
point. Let him make his
विभोर
point.
कुमार को sack
Sanju,
किया है या नहीं? विभोर कुमार thrashed Swati Maliwal black and blue in the CM residence. शर्म आती है?
Akanksha, if she
but
is going to run the debate, I'm going to leave
no,
the debate.
Jasmine,
If
we
you're going
all
to let her
knew.
run the
No,
debate,
no.
Sharm
Jasmine,
aati hai
shout
या
over
नहीं?
Jasmine,
others.
it's not.
What kind
It's
of
a
nonsense
point.
is
It's
this?
not a
Yeah,
point.
nahi.
Sanju, let me go forward. Jasmine, this is going to be an issue which will come back to haunt the Aam Aadmi Party, the Swati Maliwal saga. The biggest
It is
question
not going to.
everybody's asking.
Akanksha, I'll give you a very I'll ask.
Why
I'll
wasn't
tell
Vibhor
a
Kumar
very simple
fired?
point. Why should he be? Has he
विभोर
been
कुमार को
convicted?
फायर करने की हिम्मत नहीं है.
BJP
यहाँ
today
बैठकर
can
महिला
choose to level
सशक्तिकरण पर
allegations
भाषण
and we
देते
start
हैं.
firing our people. I have one point to make, Akanksha. In the last 10
Sack
years,
Vibhor Kumar
100
is too
cases.
hard.
Sanju,
Please
let
don't
him
say-
make a point. Sanju, at least listen to what he's saying.
Sack विभोर कुमार
This
क्यों
is
हाथ पे guts?
this is the civility.
give me
This is the level of
Sanjay
BJP
Shakti.
spokesperson that they cannot hear. They are here to yell and they are here to outshout others. I'm not going
No,
to do that.
I will
Okay?
yell because you are hard of hearing. I have to yell because you are hard of hearing. What have you done to Vibhor
Anika,
Kumar?
I want to
I'm
quickly
going
bring
to
in
leave this
Anika.
debate.
Anika,
Sorry,
in
I'm
terms
done.
of
I'm done. If you are not going to rein in
the
this
criticism
lady.
that's coming across towards now is being directed towards the Congress party is that because the Aam Aadmi Party is now trying to consolidate the Hindu vote, that is why the Congress is now resorting yet again to vote bank politics, which is why the party is even willing to give a ticket to a Delhi riot accused like Isha Chah.
Ma'am, let me tell you one thing. You heard the movie Chor Machai Shor, a very prominent movie, and this is exactly what the Prime Minister has done today. He himself wearing expensive suits, wearing the Maybach glasses, sunglasses, to paint, whatnot. And then he
I
says
take
to
strong
Chief Minister,
objection to
one minute,
the
ma'am.
reference to the Prime Minister. What
1
do you mean,
minute.
Chor Machai
I
Shor?
didn't say
I
that.
take strong
Remain
objection
quiet,
to
ma'am.
your deplorable
Didn't you say that
language.
to Aam
I
Aadmi?
take strong
Did you use that
objection to your
language?
deplorable language
You
against
better
the Prime
not.
Minister.
You better listen to one thing first.
Anika.
Prime Minister के खिलाफ
I never said that.
खराब मत
Listen to me
बोलो.
first.
Your Rahul
आप
Gandhi
चुप
is
रहिए,
out on
सुनिए.
bail. Your
आप
Sonia
you
Gandhi
enough
is out on
enough
bail.
of your nonsense.
Your P.
Enough of
Chidambaram
your
is out on
nonsense.
bail.
आप
Madam,
चलाइए तो
भाषण
चलाना
देना
है.
बंद
You're
करो.
shouting. बोलिए
You
चलाइए
are
जितना
right
चलाना है.
of
आपका काम ही यही है.
All right, no, where are we going? Anika, I don't understand. Anika, Sanju, calm down. Let's not have flying tempers over here on the show. I just want to ask you, Anika, let's fight a discussion by facts. No, let's fight a discussion by facts. Let's not get personal. Today only, Arvind Kejriwal is talking about abusive politics, about getting personal. Let's not get personal.
You say all sort of proverbs and all that. Then it's like Kasyani Billi.
Prime Minister
No, none of it has been used by me.
No,
Let's resort to a clean discussion. Anika.
बोलने नहीं दूंगी आपको ये
Okay, Anika, let's talk about facts. Sanju, please let Anika make a point. Anika,
Ma'am,
please
I
go ahead.
quoted a movie, Chor Machai Shor. I meant that when what happens is when people who themselves are doing wrong would love to scream. And exactly what the BJP is doing. Exactly what the Prime Minister said.
really?
He said,
Your Rahul
he said,
Gandhi is holidaying in Vietnam.
अरे भैया, चुप रहिए.
When the nation
Remain
is
quiet,
mourning
what is this?
Manmohan Singh's demise, your Rahul
Sanju,
Gandhi
there
is
is no point of having
No,
this debate.
all right.
If this is
I
how-
just want
if
to
this is
quickly
how
bring
you
in.
want to-
I'll bring in Rajat. Rajat, thank
Ma'am,
you
this
so
is
much
no way.
for so
This is
patient.
no,
Then you have to make
This
a
is not
point.
the way.
Anika,
I am
please
making
make
things.
your point without attacking or getting personal. And Sanju, please let her make her point.
Come on.
Anika,
Ma'am,
make
if
your
you
point.
want
Make your point, and then I'll go to Rajat. Rajat has been very patiently awaiting us.
Akanksha ji. So did I wait. I kept quiet when they were rattling away the glorification. Ma'am, I only said that look, if you're pointing finger at others, look at yourself also. You can't buy expensive thing and then say, "Hame sheesh mahal banane ka shauk nahi hai." You promised by 2022 you'll give houses. You've only given 1,700 houses. You said Delhi mein sabka pakka makan hoga. This was the agenda, ma'am. Let me speak then at least. So I say both BJP and Aap Aadmi party are rattled because promises have not been fulfilled, ma'am. And they have actually looted the people of Delhi, both in the center as well as the state. None, no coordination, always a victim card. Aam Aadmi says, oh, hame gali di jati hai, and people abuse us, and षड्यंत्र hai. That's what their target is. And the Prime Minister comes and says, मैं तो झोला master हूँ, झोला लेके चला जाऊंगा. Then what are you doing? You're not saying, you're not practice what you preach. You don't do that. That's what my anger was.
All right.
Now, if you're going to be personal, suit yourself.
Rajat Sethi, quickly, I want to bring you in. In the last few days, there's been a furor over Mr. Savarkar as a personality, but I see him as someone who's now becoming emblematic of the Delhi Assembly election, where you in fact see a polarized form of politics. The Aam Aadmi Party has not raised any objections to V.D. Savarkar and basically the name being used for a college campus in Najafgarh. And this time around, in fact, we are seeing the Congress party, as usual, make a controversy out of it. I want to ask you, Rajat Sethi, what's your assessment of the kind of polarized politics we've seen play out and V.D. Savarkar, in fact, becoming largely emblematic of that?
Well, as a Delhi voter, and I speak on behalf of a Delhi voter, the state of affairs in our capital, which has the potential of matching what London, Paris, and the bigger capitals of the world have to offer. We are nowhere there. The aspirations of the voters are being crumbled under unnecessary politicking. Arvind Kejriwal, at a point in time, was a beacon of hope. He brought in some level of technocratic solutions to the problems that Delhi urban voters used to face on a daily basis. But I think he lost the plot somewhere around 2020 when he again came back to power. He started dreaming for a bigger office. And he said that Delhi is a smaller office. Why should he worry too much about it? And that's where politics displaced his policy-oriented objectives that he had in mind. That is where, all the promises that he made in 2020 election, that he would clean up Ghazipur, he would clean up Yamuna, he would clean up the air, and he will bring all these technocratic solutions to the table and solve it. That was the freshness of thought process that he was bringing to the table. But look, 5 years down the line, he is, even if he is the face of the campaign, he cannot occupy the chief minister's position because of the Supreme Court directive. He cannot be the CM of Delhi. Still, he wants to, continue to showcase his face. The entire narrative over the past 5 years has been only about scams and scams and scams.
All right, Jasmine. All right.
This is where I believe he lost the plot somewhere.
Jasmine, how do you respond to those allegations coming in? I'll also quickly insert another one that's coming from the Prime Minister today, which is that it is the state government in Delhi which is snatching away the centre schemes, which is whether it is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana or the Jal Jeevan Mission or even free ration, not to forget the Ayushman Bharat scheme with which he led that attack.
It is laughable that center which is all powerful, Modi ji to कहते हैं कि मैं दुनिया पे राज करता हूँ. I have made India #1 globally. He's saying that he cannot, his schemes are stopped because of Arvind Kejriwal. The only scheme that we have actually stopped is the Ayushman Yojana, and I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
The criteria in Ayushman Yojana? If you have a TV, if you have a refrigerator, if you have a two-wheeler, which is practically everybody in Delhi, you do not qualify. So who does it qualify for? Ayushman Yojana is nothing but
that's a lie.
fraud.
In fact, I heard that reaction coming from Saurabh Bharadwaj, and let me tell you that is a lie. I have been to the NHA website. No, that's not. That's a lie. That's Saurabh Bharadwaj made that comment, and it's a lie. Because there is no socio-economic criteria. Yes, there is an age criteria of 70 and above. Yes, it has a cap of 5 lakh and above. But that's wrong, and I will fact check you. I will not allow you to misrepresent. Okay, Sanju Verma, Saurabh Bharadwaj earlier in the day.
You're not allowing me to finish.
Okay, just
till now.
Yes, please.
I will going to give a small clarification.
Yes.
Until 2 months back, we are talking about Ayushman Bharat Yojana launched in 2019. Until 2 months back, Only 2 months back, they extended it for 70 years plus people. Until then, the Ayushman Yojana is only catering to the 5% or 1% of people. Delhi has its own health model, which is inclusive. We cover everyone. And now we have announced the Sanjeevani scheme, which is for all senior citizens above 60 years and no income cap. No upper cap of 5 lakh spending. So
तो
what
आप
is
ये
better?
पहले ही कर देते
Sanjeevani
अगर
Yojana or
आयुष्मान
Ayushman?
भारत को ब्लॉक करना था. संजू वर्मा, the allegation is that it caters only to 70 and above. Why not senior citizens who also are above 60?
Let me make one thing very clear on your show. Yes, the categorization of Ayushman Bharat benefiting those above 70 years in terms of giving them free health insurance happened
Arey,
only
in
a couple
Jammu
of
and
months
Kashmir, you
back.
could not do it.
Let her make a point, Monica.
No, I will not. I will
More
not
than
allow now.
36
No, Akanksha,
crore
enough is enough.
Ayushman
If you
cards
think you
have
can
been
interrupt,
given.
I'm going to interrupt
More
her
than
now.
36
Even Jammu
crore
Kashmir,
Ayushman
hospitals have not been
cards have
paid.
been
Payment has not been
distributed
done,
till
ma'am.
date.
Monica,
Go and check.
Monica, an eye for an eye will not lead to anything.
More than 55 crore Jan Dhan bank accounts have been opened till date. Do you know something, Akanksha?
Wrong.
Today there are 66
Wrong data.
Vande
That is
Bharat trains. And do
zero.
you know the maximum number of Vande Bharat trains
Oh, look at them
actually
leaking. Look
operate
at the food.
into
Look
or
at the
out
train
of
leaking.
Delhi?
Look at the
Delhi,
food,
Jammu,
which is not
Vande
contaminated.
Bharat. Delhi, Dehradun,
Travel
Vande
in the
Bharat.
train and see.
Delhi,
Just
Jaipur,
travel.
Vande Bharat. Delhi,
Just try
Alwar, Vande
traveling.
Bharat. Delhi,
What
Varanasi,
food you are
Vande
serving?
Bharat.
And
Delhi,
how many you
Katra,
promised? And how many you
वंदे
promised?
भारत ट्रेन का सबसे ज्यादा फायदा दिल्ली की जनता को हुआ है. द्वारका एक्सप्रेस का फर्स्ट फेज कंप्लीट किसने किया? मोदी सरकार ने किया. दिल्ली मीरठ आरआरटीएस
दिल्ली में घर दे दीजिए ना, आवाज दे
सिस्टम
दीजिए.
किसने कंप्लीट किया? मोदी सरकार ने किया.
All right, but Sanju Verma, how do you counter questions? How do you counter questions on lawlessness? Of late, we've also seen the Rohingya issue dominate. While I would like to ask Jasmine that who is giving shelter to Rohingyas in the Delhi shelters, which
you're
come
not bothered
under?
about the women of Delhi?
No, I am, which is why I'm posing. I am posing that question to
Delhi have
Sanju.
doubled in the last 10 years.
Right,
Ask her the question on the
okay,
women's
that's
safety in
exactly
Delhi.
what I'm doing, Sanju Verma.
You know, Akanksha, I am very clear that, you know, lawlessness, irrespective of party ideologies, has to be condemned unequivocally. But आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के नेता यहाँ बैठकर भाषण ना दे. यदि आपको नारी शक्ति में विश्वास है, तो पहले विभव कुमार को
All
right.
Not even answering your question now.
नरेश यादव
See, this is their level.
No,
They have no answer. They have done no work for the people of Delhi.
Okay.
एक काम
Okay.
ये गिना नहीं सकते.
Jasmine Shah, the question's also being turned around by asking the Aam Aadmi Party if Rohingyas were such a burgeoning issue in terms of security, what did the Aam Aadmi Party do? Why was it left for the Delhi police to, you know, come up with a crackdown in terms of that drive? At least not provide them free shelter and add names to the voter lists?
Akanksha, next what are you going to ask us? Why is Aam Aadmi Party in Kejriwal not pushing off China from inside our land?
No,
Who
that's
has
not.
the responsibility
But
for
the
law and
Delhi
order?
shelters come
This is-
under you.
It makes
The
that's
Delhi
absolutely not.
shelters
Law
come
and
under you.
order. It is a law and order
Even
issue.
drinking water,
Law and order in
even that
Delhi
basic
comes under
necessity
Mr.
you
Amit
cannot
Shah.
provide to
And
Delhi
today
heights.
it
और
is
यहाँ
only the
पे
BJP
No, but the
that is
Delhi
assuming
shelters,
that
that is
Rohingya-
what I'm asking about. And you know
How
that
many?
Sanjay Singh
Akanksha,
and
I'll tell
his
you- I'll tell you
wife's
how many-
names on the voter lists are also being questioned. Why not just
No,
have
the
a clean
question-
slate to present when it comes to your
Why
own
has Hamid
electoral
Ansari's
roles?
wife's name been deleted?
Absolutely.
What is the Election Commission
Absolutely.
doing?
We have given
What is the Election
all the
Commission
proof.
doing?
We have given all the proof of Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri proudly claiming in August 2022 that hundreds of Rohingyas are being settled under Modi government policy in EWS flats in Bakarwala in outer Delhi. तो जाइए आप हरदीप सिंह पुरी को अरेस्ट कीजिए, उनको
I
इंटेरोगेट
see
कीजिए.
Rajat wants to make a point. Rajat, quickly go ahead. Rajat wants to make a point.
Inside the Bangladesh border.
Jasmine and Sanju, let others also
This
make a
is-
point.
this is
Rajat wants to
BJP's
make a point. He's been
creation.
very patiently awaiting his turn. Please.
No, the point is, it's Rohingya issue, giving a voter card by fraudulent means, Aadhaar card and voter card, empaneling them as bona fide voters in Delhi election is the root cause of the problem. You give them households, you make flats for them, I don't care, as long as they are not part of the voter list. The real point of contention is not what Hardeep Puri has said. The real point of contention is that There should be no circuitous way of issuing Aadhaar cards through fraudulent means, making them bona fide voters and citizens of New Delhi. That is the root problem, and this is where Aam Aadmi Party should have done much more, and they did not do that.
I take an objection. Who governs the Aadhaar registration process? Who makes the electoral rolls? It is all the chief election. It comes under the government of India. Please do not mislead the viewers of this show.
Again, let me tell you, it is the state government.
You have the data कि कितने लोगों को ऐसा बना है. Please do not speak like what BJP people do. BJP today,
we all know, we have all gone through the process of creating Aadhaar cards. We know who get the kiosks for me. Come on, Jasmine.
Today, women are getting raped in Delhi. Today, kids are getting kidnapped in Delhi. Everybody is getting an extortion call. Nobody wants to talk about that. Why? Because you want to create an illusion that इतने सारे रोहिंग्यास आ गए. भाई आप 10 साल
All right.
दिल्ली पुलिस क्या
All
कर
right.
रही है?
I want to
That is
quickly
the
take a question. I want to quickly take a question from Onika and then Jasmine perhaps. Onika, I want to ask you, the allegation coming in is that by raising objections to Savarkar, you're also exposing your own hypocrisy within the party, because it's an Indira Gandhi, a Bhagat Singh, a Mahatma Gandhi who themselves gone all praises for the person in the past. Now, why raise objections now?
It's not a question of now or then or whatever. When we see through,
So
the
you are admitting
hypocrisy,
that you are breaking away from party legacy, the grand old party and its legacy.
No, it's not like that. You see, so alliances have also been broken. So many things have been happening. Changes do happen. So like when we have objecting to it. I mean, how can you say that? Okay,
Based on
since
what?
somebody
A
had said
man
that-
who has been known for being a freedom fighter and is
the
known
track
to be
record-
a
the track
social
record doesn't say
reformer.
so.
Based
The
on
track
what?
record doesn't say so. The track record doesn't say so.
इनके
Evidently
पंडित
clear.
नेहरू ने तो
Let
अंबेडकर
the
की
BJP
funeral तक
go
attend
about
नहीं
harping.
की।
Again,
इनके
she goes on
पंडित
to
नेहरू
a
ने
rational
राजेंद्र
person.
प्रसाद की
She
funeral
needs to
तक
be
attend
checked
नहीं की।
actually.
इनके
She has
पंडित
got a
नेहरू ने सरदार
hypertensive
वल्लभ भाई
tendency.
पटेल की
Let
funeral
her
तक
check for a
attend नहीं
doctor,
की।
only then
And
she
these
can
guys
justify
are
it.
Onika, let's not get
No, I'm
personal.
sorry.
Let's not get
Akansha,
personal.
Akansha,
All right,
I
Jasmine.
never
You
said
did not
anything in
even
between.
attend
Now in between,
Ambedkar's funeral.
Sanju,
Your
give her.
Pandit Nehru
She's
Sanju,
going to
just
back
give,
it.
just
It's
give,
okay, Akansha,
just
leave
give.
Your Pandit Nehru was such a
let her.
petty
Yes,
man.
we've heard enough allegations against Pandit Nehru.
Your petty
Let's.
leader Nehru did not attend Vallabh Bhai Patel's funeral. Your
All right,
petty
carry
leader
on,
all
carry
right.
on, carry
Onika,
on.
Onika, I give you
It's not
15
funeral.
seconds. I give you
इसलिए
15
यहाँ
seconds.
बैठकर भाषण मत
Acha,
दो
Sanju,
BJP को।
Sanju, let Onika make a point.
Akanksha ji, BJP is known to distort history. I want to come to the point which we are saying today. Look, on one breath, the Prime Minister says, I could have also made sheet man. Look at the expensive shawls he's wearing. Practice what you preach at least. You said you're going to give houses to Delhiites by
All right.
2022.
All right. Now,
You're
since
harping
you
about
mentioned
Vande Bharat.
practice what you preach, Jasmine Shah, I'd like your closing thoughts, because in 2013, Arvind Kejriwal said that he's very happy operating out of a flat. The biggest allegation from that speech today of Prime Minister Modi's has been Kattar Beiman. How does Aam Aadmi Party respond to the allegations of the Sheesh Mahal? Because it's working against you. You know, on one hand, he's drawn that sharp contrast with how he's rehabilitated the slum dwellers by providing those over 1,600 flats to them.
It is nothing but a twisted narrative, Akanksha. We know that BJP promised that 4 lakh slum dwellers of Delhi will be relocated in 2020. They made the promise that 2 saal mein hum kar lenge. In 5 years, Prime Minister Modi comes and says ki 1,700 flats de diye, taaliya bajao. This is the kind of, I would say the shoddy achievement that Prime Minister has. Today, the people of Delhi know that Arvind Kejriwal has actually created schools, colleges, university, hospitals, mohalla clinics.
no,
Why did
no.
not Prime Minister
Jasmine.
talk about the work that
All
he has
right.
done for the people
no,
of
All
you
right.
have not completed
He
your
did
work.
work.
I am running
Sorry,
short of
Jasmine,
time.
that is
I
the
want
reason.
quick
That is
closing
the
thoughts.
reason
I have
he
to
gets
also
into
go
name
to
calling.
Rajat for
Just
closing
like Sanju
thoughts
Verma is doing
as
on this
a
show.
Delhi voter. But Sanju, I give you 15 seconds before I go to Rajat.
You know, Akanksha, let me make this very clear. People ask me what has Modi done in last 10 years. Very quickly in 15 seconds. 36 crore Ayushman cards, 17.62 crore tap water connections under Jal Jeevan Mission,
No payments,
1.57
no
lakh
payments.
startups, 118 unicorns.
What is the state of
55 crore
startups
Jan Dhan
now?
bank accounts.
They're not
Delhi
even
के लोगों के लिए
startups.
क्या किया बताओ ना?
Delhi
What
की
has
बात
he done
करो
for the
ना.
people of Delhi?
मोदी सरकार
What about
ने
Delhi?
आपके
What about
राहुल
Delhi?
All right,
Delhi.
Rajat
Delhi.
Sethi.
Delhi.
All right, all right. Let me now end this show with somebody who will be casting vote during the upcoming Delhi election. Rajat Sethi. Rajat.
So, thank you, Akanksha. I hope that each of the political parties go back on the drawing board and come up with some concrete solutions to the problems that we common people face on a daily basis. It genuinely needs all the forces to come together and at least be positive minded about it. This bickering hasn't taken the capital anywhere over the past 5 years. It won't take us forward if we continue to fight like this. I believe Aam Aadmi Party should also come out with a very constructive, very technocratic solution to the problems. And so does the BJP. They need to match up with the level of technocratic abilities that they already have. They need to all match on to those and fight it on those. Instead of doing all this, तूने क्या किया, तेरे पास power नहीं, मेरे पास power नहीं. All of this is not going to take us forward.
All right, I think you summed it up very beautifully because it cannot
हमने
be
तो
a
बहुत
war
कुछ
of
किया है।
ideologies, but
जनता
it
की
has to
चौक
be
पे
about.
हमने क्या किया है?
Yeah, she
और
goes
जनता
back to
की
my
I
चौक
hope,
पे
I
बताइए
hope
she
the
goes
government,
back.
whichever the people of Delhi choose, actually that government prioritizes welfare. Many thanks to you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining in on that fiery discussion.